Hi guys, it's Sarah here and welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to just do a little project share with you. I've not done an awful lot of crafting over the weekend. I've not been feeling all that sparkling, so I've just done a couple of small projects. This one's obviously a card for a colleague who's just had a baby boy. So this is the first one that I'm going to share, and then I will do another video which will share a Halloween journal page that I have also done this weekend. So this card is obviously little boy, congratulations on the birth of your boy card. I've done the actual card base on the baby blue Centura pearl, and then on that I have put some patterned paper. I think that comes from first edition, the baby boy first edition pad, and then this dotty paper, that's actually the reverse side of the paper in the background there. I have stamped the little teddy bear. This is one of those 3-layer stamp sets. So I've stamped the little teddy bear in 3 different shades of brown, which has given it all that lovely sort of texture like a real teddy bear. And then the little bow is actually a sticker from the paper pad. There was a sheet of stickers in the front, and the little ball and the car were also stickers from that set. I've cut a large oval doily in the background there, and obviously that's what I've used to layer the images on, and also the name that they've chosen for their little boy and his birthday. I've popped those on there as well. I've got some of these little, they remind me of like little bottle brush things. They're glittery white, and there's also glittery blue. So I've done sort of 2 blue with a white one in between. Either side I've done matching flower clusters using some of my little handmade flowers. I think they're all they are all my handmade ones this time. Put in behind some little bits of, obviously it's supposed to be greenery, but I've done that in the Snow White Centura pearl card. And then in amongst the flower cluster, I've popped some little pieces of baby related ephemera die cuts that I've cut from dies in my stash. I've also cut these feet, they're like the baby feet. And some of these elements I've done in silver mirror card, and then some I've done in that baby blue Centura pearl. So I've done a set of the little feet there with a little silver rocking horse over the top, and some of the silver feet just on the top there, and then some of these nice like glitter gem things. I think they were from AliExpress, and I think that die set was as well, the one that was like a dummy and a bottle. But some of these are the ones that are £1 in the range, the little mini ones that you can get. So I think the rocking horse, the feet I think might have been, the bundle of joy was, the flag end, that's the bottom of it's quite a long die. It's like it's supposed to be a bookmark, I think, but I just chopped the bottom of that off just to layer it, because I just felt it was getting lost a little bit in that spotty dotty paper there. So I just layered it on some of the cream, which is the same cardstock that I used for the doily in the background there. And on the inside I've kept this one really simple. I've used one of the stickers from the paper pack, and then I've just stamped congratulations to hug and to hold from this day forward in the centre. The congratulations, that was from an old Hobbycraft one, and this little sentiment came in the set with the bear. I can't remember where that one is from. It might be a Stampin' Up one, but I can't remember. And then I've just popped my details on the back there. I've left it quite plain on the inside because it is for a lady at work, like I say, and my whole team want to sign the card before we send it to her. So I wanted to make sure that there was plenty of space for everybody to write a little message of congratulations. So that's what I've done this evening. I've, like I say, not done loads of crafting this weekend. I have been doing some crochet. I've been snuggled up on the sofa feeling a bit sorry for myself doing a bit of crochet. So yeah, just a couple of projects in that this weekend. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to like, and if you fancy subscribing, then there'll be lots more projects to see in the future. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.